Ciao, what I have here on my bench is a JBL Creature II speaker, and it doesn't work mainly because the Twitter driver were broken, and it's a common fault. I'll show you one of the two, and this one you can see it's totally gone, and so I have opened the Twitter and changed the speaker with this one here. It's a 1.5-inch speaker. I've ordered a better one because this one is too much Twitter. I want a full range one, and I will change this again. Also, this I haven't got the supply for this JBL, so I have these 19 volts AC 1 amp supply. I know this works with 18 volts and 3.5 amp, but I have checked the power consumption of this, and it happens that goes to 1 amp, but I will not use that much, and this is the only that I have. So my plan is to print a bracket for this and mount this over here, and change the supply using the main voltage and this cord here. Okay, let's work on it. I have changed the speaker here. Previously, just for test, I've used this one, but I have changed to a better one, like this, and I have put a little bit of glue, and then the original fix. The new speaker are Haim, and they are 40 millimeters, and they fit perfect. I have wired up the transformer. I have put the transformer you have seen in previous video in this case, and I have wired up using this cable. This switch here is not the original one. This is an high voltage switch, cause I want this to be shut down where the speaker doesn't work. So this cable is 4 wire, 2 for the switch and 2 for the AC voltage that came straight into the amplifier. I had tried previously to put the transformer on top of the subwoofer. I have printed this and put the transformer on top of this piece, like so, but the transformer was next to the board, and there's some that I have not considered. I tried to put a layer of metal, but nothing. There is a slightly bit of hum again, and yeah, and so I decided to wire this as an external transformer, and now there is no hum, and I can let you hear. Okay, this is power, this is top volume. The other speaker are not connected, but previously there was hum even at low volume, and the hum comes from the bass and from the high speaker. Now it's all good. So let's close this and hear how does it sound. And they sound better than I thought. They're high and low. They sound good.